How to download and set up WillTrade on your phone or tablet. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to get started with WillTrade journey and you're trying to install the app on your device, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store on your Android device, whether you are using a mobile device or tablet, and search. Once you find the search results, go ahead and look for this WillTrade Trading for All application from TradeWill Global. Once you find this application, click on Install. Wait for the application to install on your device, which will take a couple of minutes. Just make sure you have the stable internet connection so that you can download the app quicker. Once you download it and install the app, click on Open to launch it open. You'll end up in this home page of WillTrade. Now go ahead and click on the My Account button at the bottom right corner. Go to the top and tap on Login/Register. You have 3 different options you can sign up for your account with. You can choose to log in or sign up with Google, Facebook, or email. Choose any one option and follow through the on-screen instruction. So that is how you download and set up WillTrade on your phone or tablet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.